Things are really heating up for us today, and all that warmth is being transported by the windy conditions that we'll be dealing with today as well. It's getting a little windy out there already this morning. So warm and windy here locally, but overall relatively quiet for us today. Quite the opposite heading down toward the Gulf, where we're still tracking Delta, which is at this point at tropical storm strength. We're seeing the heaviest rainfall starting to pivot its way northward into areas of Arkansas, but you can still see some flood warnings that remain in effect through Louisiana, where we did see a tremendous amount of rainfall in addition to the surge. Notice the outer bands of this system still look very potent, and that has us concerned for the potential for severe weather today. That severe weather risk traveling with this one particular band that is making its way right now into Alabama. We have tornado warnings that have been issued through southern Alabama, and as this continues to shift north and eastward, we'll have to watch for that likelihood through much of Alabama, especially southern sections, and traveling into the western portions of the Panhandle in Florida. The system itself is traveling northeastward, so we will see that heavy rainfall extending into the Tennessee Valley through tomorrow, and eventually some of that moisture feeding its way toward us. And that's going to be in place for the holiday on Monday. I would plan on wet travel if you are hitting the roadways as temperatures cool down into the 60s. Right now, we're at 57 in Boston. We do have some clouds that are greeting us with that sunrise this morning, but it is going to be an overall nice day for heading out, very fall-like, although a little above average, as I'll show in just a bit. Our wind is picking up. It's out of the southwest at about 21 miles per hour. That's our sustained wind. We will see occasional wind gusts stronger than that, and the strongest of those gusts expected as we move toward the coastline in southeastern Massachusetts, where we do have a wind advisory in effect for today with the potential for gusts nearing 50 miles per hour. Elsewhere, the gusts nearing 30 to 40 miles per hour will likely be something we deal with for much of today. And when you factor in that wind with the already drought conditions that are severe to even extreme in our area, we do have a heightened risk of fire weather. That's why a red flag warning has been issued for most of the area for a good chunk of our day. So you'll see those windy conditions in place with just a mix of sun and clouds through the afternoon. It's staying dry as we climb our way toward the mid-70s in Boston today, upper 70s inland. Don't be surprised if a few spots at 80 in the Merrimack Valley. 70s will be more likely down toward Cape Cod Islands, and low 70s with that wind off the ocean. Late showers for tonight, giving way to cooler conditions tomorrow. And when I say late, very late. We're looking at about 10 o'clock, those showers passing into the area in a very weakened and broken form, dissipating as we head into tomorrow. So we cool down tomorrow into the 60s. The focus of the forecast Monday will be on that rainfall moving in with Delta. This is the timeline. You can see it's mainly an impact for the afternoon. Likely some rain for the Patriots game. That's of course kicking off at 5 o'clock. Those showers linger into Tuesday, bringing some much needed rainfall to our area.